Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Style with Adeena, episode 1. So guys, in today's video I will show you guys how I style this coily hair. So the hair is freshly washed and I'll be styling it with bending rollers. So guys, keep on watching and you know the drill. I'll see you in my next one. So these are the products that I would be using to style this coily hair. Next, I section the hair into smaller portions using the hair clips to hold the hair in place. Sorry guys, I did not show where I sprayed the hair with the leave-in conditioner. So I sprayed the hair with leave-in conditioner and with water. So guys, you comb the hair properly to avoid tanglement. Then after that, you take the bending rollers and you curl the hair. You twist and you turn, you twist and you turn, you twist and you turn until the end of the hair, and you bend the other part of the bending rollers together with the hair. So that's what I'll be doing for everything. Sorry guys. In the next video maybe I might be very detailed, but it's just a repetitive process. You comb the hair thoroughly and you use the bending rollers, you twist, you turn, you turn the hair on the bending rollers. So guys, after coiling the hair, I allowed it to air dry. So here I'm just unraveling the curls. So guys, this is the final styling of the hair. I added this oil spray and I layered the closure parts. I used this wax stick, then I used my coiler to smoothen the hair in front. Then I used my rat tail comb to get the middle of the hair correctly, and I opened the curls up to give it its fuller look. So guys, here's the final look of the hair. It's looking really gorgeous and it's looking voluminous. The curls are very beautiful and it's popping. So guys, you can contact me at Adeena.hair. Yes, I offer revamping services. So guys, you can reach me out at Adeena.hair on IG again. Do not like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell guys. Let's hit that threshold of 1k subs. And you know the drill. I'll see you in my next one guys. Thank you for sticking around with me.